Yeah, 5 minute looks trippy still. Like, maybe upside of the 4-hour candle first and then downside. In general, we have a little bit of a retrace because of the, below that previous weekly high. Sunday open. Bitcoin. Dude, it had such a nice fucking... Earlier today, if you saw that chart that I posted on Bitcoin, it had literally like a picture perfect fucking SFP formed out. And now they close it back above, so... Yeah. Alright, welcome back everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. We got Mr. Hayes in the house. Let me just make sure your shit's working.
Yo.
Oh yeah, perfect. Yo. Look at that.
Zinless Hayes.
Zinless Hayes, yeah. Words of advice from Hayes: don't buy multiple packs of Zins at the same time. Just buy one at a time.
Yeah.
Because then you can't.
Otherwise you fuck around.
Yeah.
You get ungrateful. You just think you got shit going on, and then they're just gone.
You got hella fucking Zins, but you fucking don't. And then you'll end up with none. But same goes for life. Don't get too fucking...
Like hoes, too.
Yeah, hoes, exactly. You don't want to have too many hoes all at once, because sitting on 2 chairs at once isn't comfortable, guys.
Yeah.
And then...
You're into that.
Anyways, if you guys are new here, in the morning, we come in, we take a look at NQ price action, see what it can do going to that New York session. At night, we come in and review. So, if you guys are with us this morning, we were initially looking at the... we started looking on the 4-hour time frame where it was tapping into this fair value gap. We had a giant wick on the downside kind of forming out here on the hourly as well. So we're looking at a potential for this candle to retrace back up over here and then give us a little falling 3, which didn't necessarily do exactly as it was portrayed, but it still did it in a fashion that we were potentially looking at it doing it. There's our little outline from this morning. It said potentially tap into this fair value gap and then continue to the downside. Ended up retesting the New York midnight open as we came into it. Swept these liquidities, tapped into here, and then right during macro, we got that retracement to the downside. It's one thing that I've been noticing as well. If you are in a trend or anything like that, typically during a macro you will see some kind of either reversal completely or a little retrace, right? Like you can see during macro over here we have an uptrend, retrace down, retrace down, retrace down, retrace down, complete reversal back to the downside over here during this macro. Another macro right there, retrace down, and currently we're within a macro, so we're seeing a little bit of a retrace. But that's pretty much the day. That was the setup today for me at least. Retest of these highs, then we got some shorts, and then fucked off after that. Got all of the liquidities on the downside. Going into tomorrow, the one thing that I'd be watching is probably, as we are inside this previous daily range right now so far, I would be looking for a potential retest, or at least for right now, sweep of either side of this 4-hour candle. As inside of the range, so one of the things I've noticed about myself is just trading inside of those ranges, it doesn't do any good. You know, you need some kind of liquidity sweep either downside or upside in order for us to get some kind of reversal. So here right now we can outline the range OTE of this previous leg to the downside that we've had, and you can see, so we tapped into the 618 there. Maybe price wants to come up a little bit higher and tap into maybe a 705 with a sweep of this liquidity and then reverse back to the downside, which would be right near that 618 again. Levels to watch to the upside is going to be that previous weekly high and the weekly open level at 27,890. If we come back, retest it, reject to the downside, we're going to continue. We have swept the previous weekly high, so previous weekly 50 is sitting at 27,463.25. That's the level that we could come back down, retest. If we get through it, we will continue to the downside, to the opposite side. Price is still above the 1550 EMA, so trend is still to the upside. As long as we remain above this little blue line, we will continue cranking it to the upside. That's what I have on NQ. Nothing crazy right now. Like I said, big thing is patience waiting on that 5-minute fair value gap, which we do have right now inside here. So you could try some longs on the 5-minute potentially for that upside. For me personally, rejecting that previous daily 50 right now level, so we're seeing a little bit of that move to the downside. So I'm not trying anything within here.
Nothing sneaky.
Huh?
Nothing sneaky.
Yeah. Nothing that I'm like too confident. Like, look at this dump right now. We're seeing after this sweep liquidity right after top of that daily 50 and top of that, just like right above that daily open.
Said losing Zins makes me want to commit, and then Amy responded to it and said, watching you lose Zins makes me want to commit.
Fuck, were you fucking? You're fucking excited about the little orange voice this morning.
Yeah.
Stop fucking freaking out. Oh, dude, that's a fucking pretty watch with that alligator fucking belt. That's what it is. Looks like it. That's a beautiful watch. God damn. Yeah, the sneaky shorts could have worked, but I'm not fucking with that. I want something solid. Like I said, you're gonna wait up on it. Nice sweeps on the hourly, right? But 4 hour, we're still literally inside the fucking range. So for me, it's
tested that 5-minute CISD if they wanna send it back up.
Yeah. This would be like the long zone.
Low risk.
Mm-hmm. If you really wanted to try it over here, as they're retesting this daily open inside this fair value gap, which is typically what my setup consists of, right? Retest of the fair value gap during the Asia session. There you go. You can. I'll do a little fucking fake trade on the thing.
Time frame you on?
5 minute. 5 minutes. So we have that Asia fair value gap, tapping the daily open. I'm still not a fan, right? It's like almost 10 minutes, 17 minutes into the hourly. We've already manipulated to the upside. So there's still some. I'll wait it out. So what we have on that? Bitcoin earlier today had a really nice daily swing failure pivot here, but then we got this 4 hour rising or power of 3, rising 3. Playing out, got that to the upside. Right now on the 4 hour, we're just chilling right near that CISD and have an SFP on the 4 hour as well. So that's what I'm watching for. And just watching this weekly, honestly. Previous monthly high has been swept. Previous weekly high has been swept. So just watching whether or not they want to close it back below those levels. And if they do, then that can give us that potential to the downside and clearing that up. And there's that long kind of working out right now. Right, if you 20 tickles right off of this, would have been 47, but still inside. So rather wait on everything to show how I want to move. Let's see stocks wise what we got here.
Roku fucking massive rip since I posted it. Like,
dude, Roku has been on a fucking ripstick.
End of February.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
For BA. Ooh, BA could be interesting. If it continues a little bit to the downside on this weekly, maybe actually it's like rejecting the bearish OTE. 786, but also could give us potential of maybe tapping into the bullish OTE here. Maybe. There's potential.
Yep.
Coin hood, if they really wanted to, they could rising 3 this to the upside, but we are below this. Weekly fair value gap monthly still hasn't swept any of the lows that we've had. We did tap into the 705 of that whole range, so that's the one room of potential on it for the upside for me. PG weekly, seeing that fucking just cranker to the down. What earnings do we have this week? That's what I wanted to look at too. Earnings Whisperer. What do we got? AMD reporting tomorrow. AMC, ARM, Coinbase this week too, and Affirm. They're pretty good.
Find out a nice day.
PYND. Holy shit! No, wait. Is that right? Holy fuck! Beyond Meat got fucking destroyed. What the fuck?
Thought it has been destroyed now.
Beyond Meat looks like a fucking meme coin chart.
That's a piece of shit.
That's insane. I remember back in like fucking, 20. When was this? No, what am I thinking? I feel like there was some fucking like meat stock that I bought one day. It was at like 20s and then went to $40. I was like, oh, ooh. Damn, what the fuck? Beyond Meat went to fucking 90 cents.
Yep.
Holy fuck. Fuck them. Fuck them. Honestly, destroy that whole fucking scheme. Eat some real fucking beef, you pussies. That's my word of the day. Where are we at? X, Z, NW, DG, Home Depot.
E-Dog did good. I talked about that the other day. Daily looks fire as fuck.
For which one?
The dog.
The dog.
E-Dog.
The dog. Yeah. I think we've talked about it. Where is my...
Fucking fire.
Yeah. Yeah, I should. Even weekly and monthly, it looks so fucking good. It held that OTE nicely. Got that good continuation to the upside. Zeta also doesn't look...
monthly, yearly open too, sorry.
Home Depot. I feel like Baba could get it on this monthly. Baba monthly doesn't look bad. She could get it. Baba, Roku, as we continue that cranker. Yeah, DDOG weekly looks so fucking beautiful. Microsoft. So there you go, fucking flipping NQ on this hourly. A 15 minutes straight back down. Tiniest little sweep of this liquidity. So maybe you could, if this obviously gets stopped, gives us another fair value gap here on the 5 minute there. The sweep. Some liquidity on the downside there. Here. I mean, wait on this thing. We'll see what they do. Marvel, what else do we have here? That looks decent enough. ABBV. Any thoughts on that on weekly?
ABBV.
Monthly doesn't look bad. Monthly kept on wicking to the downside.
Yeah, I posted it. The weekly looks absolutely fire out of this OTE.
Yeah. Yep.
It's in my special purple list.
AI weekly still kind of shit. AMD.
ARC almost above yearly open. Can fucking go.
Yeah. It looks good from within this OTE too. Tap right into that monthly fair value gap and looking like it wants to crank you to the upside. Hanky cranky panky. Cat CCL W COP Costco Sierras. Yeah, I'm not seeing much else that I'm like super thrilled about. I'll say maybe Carvana.
Yeah, I feel like I saw some shit about Carvana the other day.
When did they fuck up? Usual for them fucking companies. Dash T Dell. Deal TR Doug. eBay fucking 5% gapper today. Yes.
There's nothing that I love that much.
Yeah. Everything in not FOMC, pre fucking non-farm payroll. Which I honestly don't know how much that shit affects the markets. You know. And we're still fucking fighting somebody in Iran, even though all of their military is wiped out. We're still fighting something, an invisible force of.
That we already destroyed 10 times.
Yeah, but like we wiped out their military, but there's still like fight to fight.
Yep.
There's still things that need to get done there, so it's completely normal. There's still work to do. Lows. Lows. Nah, Lows looks pretty fucking shortable, honestly. CX Lululemon. Lululemon is getting close to our target here. Lulu's about to sweep that little fucking wick all the way from 2020. So I'd watch that bitch there. Watch Lululemon. Donald Shorty. Triple M Shorties.
Ass looking good. Ass monthly back above yearly open. That's what I wanted to see.
Yeah, this thing looks
fire.
like all of that LRLR on the fucking monthly and weekly. This thing looks like it could send at least 219. That thing looks awesome. And above the 200 EMA too. I like that. See if we can send it all here. This LRLR. Butte. Let's see if she does it.
She'll do it.
Snap spot SPX. GTD. Yeah, not saying anything worthwhile. Do you got anything? Just kind of those four that you mentioned earlier.
Let me just double check through this list.
I got nothing. Nothing's like, holy fuck. Catching my eyes extra hard.
No. Everything that I liked already did it.
Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching.
Oh, I got one. Adobe, monthly.
Adobe. The animal's not complete yet.
I know, but look at that monthly pattern after that sweep. I think at least gets like a $40 retracement move.
Yeah.
Even if it's back to, like if you draw this last leg down, It can go
OT
back
of
to
that.
293, which is like $40,
Yeah.
12% move.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I could
Just
live
that
with it.
last month close and now like this month.
I could live with that because of the quarterly sweep too. That doesn't look bad.
But yeah, that's just probably retracement, if anything.
I'd be down with that. I'm cool with that. I'll do it. I'll do it. All right. Is that all we got? Well, sweet. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, we love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for hanging out with us. Make sure you go check us out on www.papertrace.io. It's the website to go to if you're interested in what we do, things that we offer. You got a lot of great tools on there. You can view our past streams, see our history, see what we've done. Make sure you go check out our Twitter as well, at the Paper Traders. Go check out Mr. Hazed at Hazed Beats on Twitter. 3,000 followers for him. We're gonna do a lifetime membership giveaway. 2,000 followers for me. I'm gonna do a tracksuit reveal. On that, thank you guys for watching. Tell your friends about us. Tell your mom about us. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.